Welcome to the next lesson in the Number Concepts and Operations playlist. In this video, we're diving deep into a crucial mathematical skill, understanding the equivalence between common or decimal fractions and percentages. We'll not only learn how to convert from one form to another but also explore practical contexts where these three forms are used extensively. First, let's grasp the concept of equivalence. Common fractions, decimal fractions, and percentages all represent parts of a whole, just in different ways. Common fractions use ratios and are expressed as a fraction, for example, 1/4. Decimal fractions use the decimal system, for example, 0.25, and percentages are fractions out of 100, for example, 25%.
We'll start by converting from one form to another. For example, how do you convert the common fraction 3/5 into a decimal or a percentage? We'll walk you through the steps, making it easy to switch between these representations. To convert this fraction to a decimal, you simply divide the numerator by the denominator. So, in this case, we have 3 divided by 5. Now, let's perform the division. 3 divided by 5 is 0.6. So, 3/5, when expressed as a decimal, is equal to 0.6. Now, let's take it a step further and convert this decimal to a percentage.
To do this, you simply multiply the decimal by 100. Now, let's calculate it. 0.6 multiplied by 100 is 60. So, 0.6, when expressed as a percentage, is equal to 60%. And there you have it. We've successfully converted the fraction 3/5 into a decimal, which is 0.6, and then into a percentage, which is 60%. This process is straightforward and can be applied to other fractions as well. Now, let's explore practical applications. Business and finance. Percentages are often used in finance to calculate interest rates, discounts, and investments. Decimal fractions come into play when dealing with money in the digital age. Science and measurements. In scientific experiments, decimal fractions are crucial for precise measurements, while percentages help express proportions and concentrations. Cooking and recipes. In the culinary world, you'll encounter common fractions when following recipes, ensuring accuracy in ingredients. Data and statistics. In data analysis, percentages are used to understand proportions and trends, while decimal fractions are vital for precise measurements. We'll also cover the conversion from percentage to common fraction and decimal fraction. Understanding these conversions is essential for various calculations. Let's start with the conversion from a percentage to a common fraction. To illustrate, consider the percentage 25%. To convert this percentage to a common fraction, simply write the percentage as a fraction with the numerator as the percentage value and the denominator as 100. Now, simplify the fraction if possible. So, 25% as a common fraction is equal to 1/4. Moving on, let's convert the same percentage, 25%, to a decimal fraction. To do this, divide the percentage value by 100. Now, perform the division. 25 divided by 100 is 0.25. So, 25% as a decimal fraction is equal to 0.25. There you have it. We've successfully converted the percentage 25% into both a common fraction, which is 1/4, and a decimal fraction, which is 0.25. Understanding these conversions can be incredibly useful in various mathematical and real-life scenarios. Thank you for joining me in this lesson on converting percentages to fractions and decimals. These fundamental skills can open up a world of possibilities in mathematics and beyond. Stay tuned for more math tutorials, and keep learning. In our upcoming lessons, we'll continue to explore advanced mathematical concepts and operations. If you have questions or specific topics you'd like us to cover, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's enhance your mathematical skills together.